Have you ever wondered what would happen if your lawyer decided to use artificial intelligence to help prepare your court filing? Whether he would just win any case with ease? Well, want to know more? In this video, we'll explore the consequences of a lawyer using ChatGPT and how it led to, as the judge wrote, bogus judicial decisions with bogus quotes and bogus internal citations, and briefly discuss why AI-generated facts should always be reviewed. But first, what happened? When attorney Steve A. Schwartz turned to ChatGPT to help him prepare a court filing against Avianca, little did he know the hilariously disastrous turn it would take. His client, Roberto Marta, had sued the Colombian airline after allegedly being injured by a rogue food cart on a flight to New York. But Schwartz's reliance on ChatGPT turned out to be a comedy of errors. In a bizarre twist, the AI started inventing fictional court cases, which Schwartz unknowingly included in his brief. Avianca's lawyers, bewildered by the unfamiliar cases, were left scratching their heads and suspecting a chatbot gone wrong. They couldn't find any trace of these fictional cases in legal databases, exposing the AI's shortcomings. Cases like Martinez v. Delta Airlines and Varghese v. China Southern Airlines, which federal judge Kevin Castell called bogus, popped out of thin air, leaving everyone chuckling at the AI's audacity. Avianca's attorney, Bart Benino, couldn't help but quip. We figured it was some sort of chatbot of some kind. Schwartz, in his defense, admitted that he consulted ChatGPT to supplement his research, but was completely unaware that the AI could conjure up false information. He even asked the AI to confirm the reality of the cases it cited, and the mischievous AI confidently assured him they were genuine. To top it off, when Schwartz asked for the source, ChatGPT cheekily responded, "I apologize for the confusion earlier," and threw out references to Westlaw and LexisNexis databases, like a magician pulling rabbits out of a hat. Now, the whole debacle has landed Schwartz and his law firm in hot water. Judge Kevin Castell of the Southern District of New York has summoned them for a hearing on June 8th to explain why they shouldn't face sanction. It's safe to say that relying on an AI that invents its own legal universe might not be the smartest move in the courtroom. So, lesson learned. When dealing with an AI, be prepared for wrong answers. But why does ChatGPT even seem to invent facts out of thin air? ChatGPT, the talkative AI we all know and love, seems to have a wild imagination and a penchant for getting things wrong, according to the researchers at Morgan Stanley. They hilariously pointed out that the AI occasionally hallucinates and conjures up answers that sound convincing but are utterly false. It seems ChatGPT is still a long way from greatness. But fear not, fellow humans and lawyers, for there's a glimmer of hope. The analysts at Morgan Stanley suggest that highly educated users should act as vigilant fact-checkers ready to catch ChatGPT's whimsical blunders. Instead of replacing human labor, this AI should be seen as an assistant, a sidekick to bolster our existing knowledge. ChatGPT's journey to stardom was not within its fair share of controversy. The AI's ability to produce misinformation raised eyebrows among scholars, and Morgan Stanley's Kim admitted that ChatGPT's accuracy will be a constant struggle for the next few years. However, the analysts proposed a potential solution: connecting ChatGPT to specialized domains for fact verification. It's like giving the AI a reality check and a dose of credibility. In a recently published paper from UIUC, the researchers conducted a thorough analysis of ChatGPT's quirks. They discovered 4 primary categories of errors: comprehension, factualness, specificity, and inference. Looking at these, it seems ChatGPT struggles with understanding context, providing accurate information, staying at the right level of detail, and reasoning effectively. Oh, the woes of an AI trying to make sense of the world. But don't despair, my friends. The researchers found that providing external evidence could alleviate some of ChatGPT's errors, especially in comprehension and specificity. However, inference errors proved to be a trickier challenge for our chatty AI companion. And let's not forget, the newer model GPT-4 shows some improvement but still has a way to go. In the wild world of AI, ChatGPT's hallucinations and mishaps bring both laughter and caution. So, while we wait for ChatGPT to grow wiser and more accurate, let's enjoy its occasional trips to Wonderland and take its answers with a pinch of salt. After all, what's life without a little AI-induced laughter and some occasional mind-boggling blunders? Cheers.